Samsung has been doing a phenomenal job in terms of giving software updates to their smartphones and tablets. Hello viewers, today in this video I will give you an insight into the new software update that I have received recently on my Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 AP. Some users of this tab have been facing some software issues. I think after this update those problems will be solved. Though this is a security patch update, this update will also bring some bug fixes. The size of this update is about 223.40 MB. This is October 1st security patch level update. So let's download and install it and tell you whether the problems faced by some users are resolved or not. For your kind information, let me know you that this tablet is a Wi-Fi version and this tablet runs with Snapdragon 778G processor. It is a very good processor, though it doesn't come with LTE. The LTE version comes with Snapdragon 750G processor. So if you ask me which is the best between LTE and Wi-Fi, I will suggest you the Wi-Fi version because the processor is more powerful than the LTE version. The software update is almost done. Now let me quickly install the update and come back before you and show you what are the new changes that you are going to get with your new updates after installing the latest software update, that is October 1st 2022. A lot of users are complaining about a lot of issues. Let's see what are the issues. The first problem was yellow tint on white screen. Actually, in my tablet there was no such issue. In this video also you can clearly see that there is no yellow tint or color shifting in this tablet. The tablet is working smoothly. Some users were complaining that they are facing reddish tint in their tablet, but I did not encounter any kind of issue. The display is gorgeous as it was before. Let me play a YouTube video so that you can have an idea about the quality of the display. This tablet is excellent for multimedia consumption. You will greatly enjoy watching videos on this tablet, whether it is YouTube, Netflix, Amazon or any other OTT sites. The display, though it is not an AMOLED display, you will love the colors and punchiness, but you will miss the deep blacks just as you enjoy in an AMOLED display. In spite of that, the display is of excellent quality. It has good viewing angles and the color reproduction is excellent. Another major issue was lag during multitasking. After One UI 4.0 update, I encountered some lags while multitasking, but after this update, the tablet is working smoothly. You can easily switch between 4 to 5 apps without any hiccups. During my usage after this update, I felt no lag or sluggishness. One more thing that I have noticed after this update, that is the S Pen is working more precisely. The latency seems to be more accurate than before. I do a lot of note taking on my tablet, so it is a good experience for me while using the S Pen in my tablet. Please do let me know in the comment sections below whether you are facing any kind of issues after updating your device to the latest version. I hope you are enjoying your experience with this tablet. If you have liked this video, please share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more such interesting videos. I will be giving more interesting videos regarding tablets and smartphones. Thanks for watching this video.